How to change the name on Google Meet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily change your name on Google Meet. So first thing what we need to understand is whatever Gmail account you are using to set up a meet in your Google Meet, that is the same name that is going to be displayed on your Google Meet. So in this example, as you can see, I've already logged in with my Google account, which is connected to my Google Meet. So in this case, this will be the same name which will be coming in during my meeting in my Google Meet. So to change it, you basically need to head over to your Google account itself. So just tap on this profile icon at the top right corner and simply select this Google account option over here. And once you're inside here, you can tap on this personal info option over here and simply scroll down until you see the option called name. So just tap on this and basically you can simply edit your name over here and to change it successfully. And once you change it, you can come back and the name which you just changed will be displayed whenever you try to call or meet inside Google Meet with different people. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.